Hello. Oops. For this problem here, it's from section 1.2, and I wanted to go over it. So it says, using data from 2005 through 2015, the percent of households with internet access can be modeled by P equals 1.84T plus 60.89. T equals the number of years after 2005. And this is percent with internet. So it says, what are the values of T that correspond to 2010 and 2016? T is the number of years after 2005. So if we are looking at 2010, how many years is that after 2005? 5 years. To find it though, if you weren't sure, you can subtract what your starting point is. So T would equal 5 because it's 5 years after 2005. For the second one, 2016, we'd again subtract the 2005 because that's where we're starting. Oops. T would be 11. 11 years after 2005. P equals f of 10. Gives the value of P for what year? And what is f of 10? So if we're using f of 10, that means we're plugging 10 in for T, 10 years after 2005. Since we subtract to find T, we add 2005 to T to get what year it is. So in 2015, this would give us the percent if we plugged it in. But when T is 10, the year is 2015 because it's 10 years after 2005. Then to find the value, just plug it into your equation. .29%. So 79% of the population have internet in 2015. Okay. Part C. What X, min, and max should be used in a window so it represents 2005 to 2020? Well, we want 2005. Remember, to find T, you just subtract your starting amount, which is 2005. So 0 should be our min. How do they write it? X min. And then they wanted to go to 2020. subtract the starting amount, and our max would be 15.